should go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay long, just wanted you to show me. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. I think I done shady. You ain't been calling me.
Now I put it in two, and then this I'm gonna section off as well, starting from the back. Using my bottle spray to get my hair wet again. It's super dry, so obviously you need water. I want you to see everything. I got 24 inch.
If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. I think I done shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go play games, play games.
I'll blow your mind. Say it one time. Sing it out loud.
So the thing that I do with these curls, I like to twist my curls. I like to twist them so they have one side they are turned to.
Take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just treat me in Gucci. No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay long, just wanted you to show me. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. I think I done shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go play games, play games. I know you say you hit my line, I'm on your mind, and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all, but fix and put your friends. How that works? What that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, get posted. How that works? What you do? Yeah, back that shit up. Won't you say my, so won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. I think I done shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go play games, play games.
I'll blow your mind. Say it one time. Sing it out loud. Goodbye. Get in my ride. I wanna come back. I wanna just listen. Get in your feelings. Get in your feelings. None of your business. I wanna get kids. I wanna get rich. Yeah. I wanna get them out of the picture. Yeah. I'm in my vision. Yeah. Inspired the difference. Yeah. You never acting shady. You will always be my baby. You be my baby.
Whip, got it, whip, got it, yeah, got it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just treat me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I wanted you to stay long, just wanted you to show me. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. I think I done shady.
I will come back later to show you when it's fully air dry. So my battery was super low. My battery is, I really have to fix this issue. But okay, anywho, my battery was low, so I couldn't really film how I removed my band. So what I do, I'm gonna start over. Just gonna spray the even hairspray. Place my closure where I want it to be. Good, or to use to wrap on your closure. If I will ever go back to Gotta Be glue, I don't think so. This is very nice. It's a very firm hold. I haven't tried the gel and the glue. I don't like using a lot of products, and for me it's easier to spray this down, remove it a little bit with water at night, take it off when I'm going to the gym, or if I don't want to sleep with it, I will take it off, and then I don't have to style it in the morning. I don't have to do a lot of maintenance on the hair. Okay. I can't really see what I'm doing. That lighting just ruined my vision. Okay, so this is how I style it. This is how it be. So this is how it looks in the morning as well. In the evening, doesn't matter. This is how I style my hair. This would be my evening look. I will use a big comb and start from the roots, pulling it up to make it more puffy. Okay, so now I'm finally getting to the end of my video. I got in Burmese curly hair for my Vietnamese vendor, 2x 24 bundle, 22, and a HD closure 5x5, 18-inch. I really like to have different kind of lengths so it will float in layers, let's say that. I don't have to cut anything off, and I think it's much better to have different kind of lengths. It depends of the style you like, of course, and the model. I don't know, I just got interrupted and now I'm lost. I don't know what I was at, but yeah, I use my even spray. This is what I use for now. I think closure wigs are the best for you girlies that love to work out. Take it off when you go to sleep. Don't want to glue it down, you don't want to sew it down. Easier to change your hairstyle. Definitely spend your coins, are more expensive hair, you're gonna look better. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you like my video and you will catch me in another one. Bye.